Hello, welcome to my YouTube channel. Yula here. It's been so long that I didn't upload the video and so sorry about it because we are currently enjoying the Chinese New Year. So wish you happy Chinese New Year. In this video, I will like to quick update about what I was facing the past 2 weeks. Because I think every trader, every strategy, they will have their up and down. So same for me as well. The first thing I facing was that last week when I waited for the setup for the whole day. Then when the setup appeared, I tried to execution the trade from my iPhone, but unfortunately the MT4 is not working, which totally unexpected. Because I remember that last year I saw some of the news that MT4 was banned in US. So that time I thought it was nothing to do with me because I'm in Singapore, but unfortunately that currently one of my phone unable to trade. So I was searching on YouTube about other trader. What they suggest was that better to trade from your laptop. So which I has no choice. Then I download the MT4 from my laptop. If you have any solution to download the MT4 from the phone, please do let me know. But I'm referring to iPhone only. I think for Android or other software that you still can use the MT4 and MT5, just iPhone they ban. Anyway, nothing can stop us to trade, right, as a trader. Then the second thing I facing was that, as you know, that I'm still full-time working, so I only start to trade in Singapore timing. It's 2 p.m. So 2 hours before London open. Then my work is finished at 6 p.m. So after I finish my work from 6 p.m., I will go home. It took 1 hour to travel to my home. So the setup that I was waiting for the day, it happened during when I was inside the metro station. I have one rule that I will never ever analyze from my phone and execution from my phone, because whenever I take the trade, I must use my laptop or my computer to analyze, then I will execute the trade from the phone. So that was the reason that I didn't take the trade. Then you may say that why don't you just calculate the position size from your phone, then just enter the trade from the phone. But you imagine that when you are in the public transportation, like inside the metro station or inside the bus, and you are standing there, then the door open every 2 minutes, people alighting or people on board. You just imagine you are holding a bag and holding a phone and people pushing you around. At the same time that the signal was not good, because most of the metro station, the signal is not good, so you don't know that the information you receive on your trading view or whatever the software you are using, maybe it's lagging. You get my point? So definitely you don't want to trade at this environment, especially you are trading a bigger capital. That was the reason I didn't take the trade. But I really salute to those full-time working trader, although they may be whole day busy at their work or with their family, whatever the thing they are doing now, but they still try their best to squeeze the time in order to trade, in order to process their journey. So I really salute to them. Then the third thing I was facing was my psychology. 1 week ago, I was waiting for the setup appear the whole day. But when it happened, I already calculate the position size, key in the lock size, I just need to click the button in order to get in the trade. But I don't know why at that moment I didn't execute. When I reflect myself for the trade, I think it's a fear of losing. Of course, I also have emotion that why I didn't execute the trade when you waited for the whole day. So I didn't follow the rules. There are so many ways that and so many times that follow the rule, like you need to have a proper risk management, you need to only take certain trade appear at certain timing, or you only trade certain pair. But if the A plus setup appear in front of you that you didn't take the trade, that means you didn't follow the rule. You get what I mean? So I admit that I didn't follow the rule that time. So after that, I try to reflect myself that, you know, really need to back on the track, even though it's just one of the trade only. But I don't want to let the emotion to, you know, dragging me. Somehow it shows that your emotion is useless to the market. What you need to do, just follow your rules. That's why all of the successful trader, I think they will have one thing in common to tell the new trader, is follow the rule. Because you may have a feeling when you are watching the live market or whatever, but when you follow it, it make your life much easier and it make your trading much easier, because at least that you know what you are doing and why you are doing it. So it makes your life much easier. At the end of the trade, even though it's a losing trade or whatever, you okay with yourself, you know. I remember when I was beginning first 2 years, my trading life always like living in the regret, living in the pain, you know, because I didn't follow the rule. The moment that I choose to follow the rule, I feel my life much easier and I feel relaxed, you know. So as you can see, even though six-figure trader, you still got some room to improve and keep learning and keep pushing, as I always say. Then the number 4 I facing was that I think after Christmas until now, it's not much trade for my setup, because usually my setup only appear maybe like twice a week or 3 times a week. That means that I don't trade every day. But recently, these 2 weeks, I see that it's much less. That's why I mentioned earlier that every setup have their up and down. So you must have faith in your trading style. You must have faith in your setup. That's the thing that I'm currently facing. Anyway, sometimes less is more in trading, which I totally agree. There's time that there are certain periods that you need to maximize your opportunity, and there's certain period that you should sit back and do nothing. So this is the thing that I'm going through now, just do nothing until the opportunity come, then I can execute. But before that, I will try to manage my emotion. Like I need to be more patient to wait for it to appear compared to other period. This is the thing that I was facing the past 2 weeks. I saw a lot of comment regarding how to connect with me, and I already put my email address at the description. If you are interested to connect with me or want to drop me an email, please look at the description of my email address, and I will see you in the next video. Bye.